Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. If you're watching my channel, you most likely are interested in learning how to make money online and grow an amazing business on social media. If that's you, smash the subscribe button and check out beneath this video. But in today's video, what I'm going to talk about is how branded capture and sales pages can make you more income in your affiliate and network marketing business. Okay, so when I first came online as an internet marketer, I was always using like company pages. Now let me be clear here. If you're an absolute beginner, I find that inaction is the enemy. So rather than get caught up in technical overwhelm or perfectionism and trying to learn, make all these pages, you need to take, if your company offers a replicated capture page system, you need to take it and run and get to work. Okay. But as you're going along, one of your primary goals should be as early as possible, right after you start taking action, yada yada yada, is to start separating yourself from the pack, right? Learn to stand out. Like if everyone is going to the left, you should be going to the right, right? Everybody using all these replicated pages, you should be creating your own stuff, right? This is the thing, standing out from the crowd. How does this help you make more money? Okay, so I want to, in this video, I'm going to kind of explain the psychology of what a person who's a prospect will see when they come to a company webpage. Okay, so you've been out there, you've been doing your marketing, and a prospect comes to your company page, right? They might be on 10 people's different lists. They done seen this link like 15 times. They're like, oh, this again. Okay, they done seen it before, right? When someone comes to my page, they don't even know what it is. Even if they might have seen the opportunity before, now they're intrigued. They're like, well, what is this stuff? Like, what is this on here? They're going to watch the video, this, that, and the other, right? So now what I've done strategically by creating my own page, which the Conversion Pros allows me to do, that's the system that I use as a marketing system. It includes an email autoresponder, allows you to create custom capture pages and sales pages, right? So I leverage this system that I have access to create custom pages for my opportunities. Okay. And I can duplicate this template over and over and over again, right? So the Conversion Pros allows you to use share codes. So I can literally take the share code from this page, put it here and duplicate it 1,000,000 times for every opportunity I have and just change the links, right? So anyways, that said, what I do is I create these custom pages, and normally what I do is I introduce myself. Hey, I'm Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸. I do a quick video. Hey, I'm Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸. Nice to meet you. Blah, 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 blah. And then I give them two options. Message me. This is called direct response marketing. I'm cutting the time that it takes for them to connect with me. Okay. So I give them immediate opportunity to message me. Right. They got questions. They ready to get started. They don't watch the video. They're like, yeah, me. Rather than have to just sit on the list. Direct response marketing, you cut the time it takes for someone to connect with you, right? Just gave a lot of value right there, okay? And then immediately, they can click on get started and they can watch the actual company presentation. So what I do is I leverage these pages to immediately introduce myself, to brand myself, to stand out from the crowd, to say, hey, I'm Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. I'm so excited that you're here, whatever the page is. I'm so excited you're here to learn about weight loss. I'm so excited that you're going to love this. Here's what I want you to do next. I'm telling them real quick. I want you to message me if you have any questions, and also click on the get started button and watch the whole presentation. Now I pass them off to the company. That's what an effective branded sales page will do for you. Okay, so when they click on get started, let's just open this in a new tab. Okay, now it's sending them off to my company presentation. Now I'm sending them off to my company presentation. What it does is it puts a barrier between me and the company. They're not partnering with the company, they're partnering with me. So it's branded me. People talk about branding. Branding means you insert yourself before you pass them off to the company. Right? So they understand that they're partnering with me. Okay? So those are the things that I'm able to do by creating a branded sales page. Okay? That's it, right? Now I can do whatever I want with this page. If I give bonuses, if I have a private group I want them to join, I can do things like that. I can tell them what bonuses, incentives I have. I can tell them to join my Facebook group. I can tell them how to position it. I can show proof Okay, let's talk about some other things that this does. So this isn't just branding me, right? One of the things that you should learn how to do that'll cut your learning curve is, the reality is, I don't care what you're promoting, if you can't show people that it works, they don't believe you. So you should be including proof that your product, if you're in weight loss, that it helps people lose weight. You should be including proof in your sales pages that that people or yourself are making money with this. You know, if you are in lead generation, you should be showing that people are getting leads. So these are the things that I'm able to do strategically with the Conversion Pros through the pages that I'm able to create. Okay, and again, the next time I got another opportunity or another tool or whatever it is I'm sharing, if I want to recreate a page just like this, I just copy the share code. I don't got to spend time sitting there trying to do this, and all I got to do is change the links. And you know, if I want to change the pictures out, I can change the pictures out or whatever, right? These are the time savers, tools that help you grow your business strategically, helps you increase your conversions, right? Right? Because it's not let's talk about lead generation, right? I know tons of people that they get tons of leads and they can't convert any leads to save their life. They don't know how to do lead conversion. This is the simple things. Like I talked to one guy, he was like, oh, this week I got like 250 leads and none of them converted. Simple things. Okay, so you want to invest in the tools that help you grow your business, right? And you want to use them strategically to help you grow your business. Okay, help you cut your conversions. Okay, so this is it. You know, the Conversion Pros, it has a full tool suite. So when you click on build your business, you're going to get access to training. It's going to walk you through how to use the system, things like that. You're going to get training on how to market. You're going to get training on how to brand yourself, you know, creating mobile business cards that you could brand yourself and people can access you easily. Like all of these things you get access to, how to create lead magnets in your business. So how to generate leads, right? How to get tons of leads for free. You get access to all of these trainings with your autoresponder system, which is the Conversion Pros. Okay. You're going to get access to how to implement share codes, which is duplication at its best. If you're in a network marketing, affiliate marketing company, and you want your team to duplicate, everybody use the same funnel, right? How to create drag and drop pages, just like you saw this page here, like how to drag and drop and create these pages in minutes. You get training on how to do that. So you get a lot of training on how to use the system, but also training on how to grow your business. Okay, so there's free marketing training, how to set up your autoresponder, all those things like that. And then, like I said, marketing training, how to market your pages, how to market on Facebook, how to market on Twitter, how to market on Craigslist. And these are all free places where you can get leads. Okay. There's one person in the Conversion Pros I was talking to the other day, and they were like, hey, are you like on Twitter? And I said, yeah, I have a Twitter, but I don't be on there like that. And he was showing me his lead flow. He's getting 100 leads a day from Twitter. Okay, from Twitter. And guess what he used? This training right here. Okay, so I just want you guys to understand that you also have access to not only the tool to grow your business, but the training on how to market on free platforms to grow your business. Okay, so that's it. If you're not doing you're not creating what are called pre-sale pages, which helps increase your conversions by providing proof. And that gives people a direct response way to immediately connect with you if they have a question or they're ready to get started. They watched it and they're like, I don't need to see all that. I'm ready to get started. How do you allow people to connect with you? Direct response marketing. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can do. If you want to learn more about the Conversion Pros, underneath this video, there'll be information. You could go ahead and get started with the Conversion Pros. I want to show you my bonuses for people that align with me in the Conversion Pros as an upgraded member, meaning that you're not on the trial. You actually you've invested in the tool to grow your business. It's $50, right? So let me just show this. So I put together a TCP masterclass, and essentially what I've done is my intention is always to help the beginner, right? Of course, if you're not a beginner, I'm gonna help you too, but that's always my goal, is to help the beginner. So I know that for a beginner, they're looking for some plug and play funnels. I've revealed my highest converting plug and play funnels, and the share codes for that, including the email follow-up sequence for that. So literally, you know, if you are in the make money online niche especially, or opportunity niche, you can copy that and duplicate that in your business. Okay, second thing is has not been created yet, but it will be an email list building challenge. You will get access to that when it's released. I've given my best tips on using funnels to boost your affiliate sales, so you will get access to that so that you can start creating some high converting funnels. You're going to get access to how to leverage YouTube reviews to not only grow your affiliate business, but also your TCP, share your TCP tool as you grow your business. Because here's the thing, making extra income with the conversion pros is not about taking a conversion pros and trying to make it a primary income stream, right? It's about using the tool to grow your email list, to grow your business, to grow your business, and along the way sharing with people how you're growing your business and inviting them to use the same tool you're using, right? That's the passive way to grow an extra income alongside what you're already doing. It's about when people come to you and they're struggling, and you know they need an autoresponder, and you know they need to build a list, and you know they need a tool within your own company, within your own circle. People are probably inboxing you and saying these same things. You plug them into what you use, right? So that's it. That's a great way to build income alongside your primary opportunity without having to do more work, without being having shiny object syndrome, without being confused, without laying your business aside to go promote the conversion pros. Right? That's how you do it. So you will get access to these things when you join me as an upgraded member in the Conversion Pros. Smash the subscribe button, see beneath this video for more information, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.